Hey everyone, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to block a number on WhatsApp in under 2 minutes. Whether it's a spam or someone bothering you, I've got the easiest way to stop them. Let's dive in. First, open up WhatsApp on your phone. You can do this both on Android and iPhone. Open WhatsApp on your phone, tap on Chats. Now, find the chat of the person you want to block. Here's how. Tap on their chat. Tap on their name at the top to open contact info. Now just scroll down and tap block. Confirm it and boom, they're blocked. No more messages from them. You can choose the reason for blocking as don't request the code or no longer needed. And that's it. You've successfully blocked someone on WhatsApp. If this video helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.